Welcome to our 2024 web development course, where we will take you from knowing absolutely nothing about web development all the way through advanced full stack development. Now, these videos are going to be provided as supplemental review material for an in-person class that we'll be teaching, but we're also going to post them on YouTube for anybody else who wants to go through a self-paced course on their own for free. So following the course schedule, you should see videos coming out usually every single Saturday. Now, this course is going to be broken down into 4 different sections. The first section is going to be basically focusing on the fundamentals of web design, and that's going to be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We'll talk a little bit about Bootstrap and then Tailwind CSS. We'll talk about JSON and jQuery, and finally version control and how you can use Git and GitHub for that. In part 2 of the course, we're going to go into React. We're going to go into Node.js, MongoDB. We'll talk about utilizing REST APIs. And then finally, we'll talk about Next.js in part 2 as well. And then in part 3, we'll just have a crash course on UI UX design and how you can implement that using Figma. And then in the last part of the course, if you're actually enrolled in the in-person class, you'll be having both individual and group projects. And then if you're not, if you're just following through the course on YouTube, I'll give you a whole bunch of different project ideas that you can work on to take these skills and practice them on your own. Because of course, the key to learning here is not just watching videos on YouTube 1,000 times, but rather you need to watch it and then you need to go down into the description. You need to read the links below, read the documentation that's provided, and then you need to take that material and you need to practice it on your own in your own projects, building blogs and recipe sites and e-commerce sites and whatever it is that you want to build. You need to actually practice these skills on your own, because the key to learning any new skill, the most important thing is that you spend a lot of time doing it. And somebody once told me that the problem with every plan is eventually it leads to hard work. And that's true. It is going to be hard work to learn a skill that you know nothing about, but it definitely will be worth it in the end. So stick with it. If you're interested in becoming a web developer in 2024, then this is a perfect place to start. If at any point in the course you get confused, you can simply leave a comment down in the video description below, and I'll try my best to answer anything that comes up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any content, and we will see you in the course.